Welcome to the Invasion 2023 at Wildwood, where we got dope Jeeps on the beach, a lot of good time, a lot of good food, and a lot of good vibes, you know what I'm saying? For those of you that don't know me, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more content like this. We got a bunch of different stuff coming up, a bunch of events and stuff like that. Not only cars, we do electric bikes, electric whatever, drones, planes, everything. So in this video, we're actually at this event, just taking videos of the obstacle course and honestly everything that was there. I'm happy that people invite me to this. It's a big event. A lot of people, the people that from Roush Creek bring us this event, brings in a lot of commerce, and maybe hopefully the mayor will see this, because when I heard how much commerce this brings and how little resources the town really gave them, and they still put on a crazy awesome show. I cannot believe how awesome the course and everything was well organized. Like, it just keeps getting better and better. 2023 was definitely the most well organized year. From the outside, I don't know how well it was going on the inside, stuff like that, but you see the best of the best Jeeps. Some Jeeps that are built for more comfort, some Jeeps that are built for more real deal off-road riding. But a lot of people showed a lot of good smiles, got a lot of good everything, like a lot of good. I can't even express how awesome it is, like, to see some of these Jeeps in action. If you guys saw my video from last year, it's nothing, not much has changed. The vibe is all there, everything is cool. The dope Jeeps, the crazy builds, people put a lot of time and effort into their ride, you know what I'm saying? And their ride just happens to be a four-wheel drive off-road monster. Some people hate on Jeeps. I used to be one of those people, but ever since I started coming to these events, my perspective has changed tenfold. There's always crazy stuff that you see, like big old monster truck Jeeps. That was the first for me. But overall, these events just keep getting better and better. Make sure you guys take the chance to come out to one of them, whether you're from wherever. I see people coming from all over the country, and just a lot of people from the East Coast. But there's people that are coming from Kentucky, Tennessee, Florida, Texas, everything. They're driving so far just to get to this event, drive your Jeep on the beach. First of all, not even all these states have beaches, so we're lucky enough to have a nice one that can put together a dope event like this. And you guys really got to shout out Bernie from Roush Creek. He's really put together something fierce, you guys. And there's a couple more. I forgot the dates. I could find out if someone wants to know. If I can find out if you guys ask me in the comments. If you guys have any other questions about how this was filmed, this was used. I used FPV drones. We can go a little more detail with that. But yeah, I just stuck a GoPro to the top of it, and basically I could just fly really well, better than the average person, and get up close with I have a small 3-inch. Well, it's not 3 inches. It's like probably like like 7-8 inches, but like wide drone, and it's really small. Has bumpers on it and can fly up really close. Take great images and stuff. I don't have to fear for propellers hitting these people's expensive, nice Jeeps, their paint jobs, and I just want to have respect for the crowds and the FAA regulations. With that being said, I hope you guys can just watch some of this awesome footage I got. There's a bunch of stuff that happens in this video, from obstacle course, just from just walking around, just seeing the dope builds, seeing people go through the water and stuff like that. Like, that stuff is cool to me, because sometimes you don't get a good perspective of just like a guy sitting on a mound, or like a camera crew just being posted up in certain spots. With this, I got to fly around the whole map, basically, and just see how everyone got to drive. And then I got to, flying up above everything was kind of sketchy, because there's a bunch of seagulls trying to go nip at me and stuff like that. But if they know it's good for them, they want to do that. That's not I'm a bird killer or nothing like that. I don't want no wrong ideas. ASPCA, please don't report me. I ain't trying to get canceled like that. But yeah, back to the video. Like, people got these crazy builds. They got engines that should not be an OG, but it is, and it destroys, putting out power. And then everyone's got their own special design that last design you saw was my friend Dale Singh's. Absolutely killer design. And I don't know if you guys know this, there was, I believe, over 2,000 or 3,000 Jeeps in attendance this year, and I'm lucky I was one of the few to film them, because I know for a fact everyone that was out there will remember, let alone me and my flying, my drones and everything, because they have never seen anyone get up close like I could. I'm not gonna say I'm like Johnny FPV. If you don't know who Johnny FPV is, crazy cinematic flyer, like the person that like kind of innovated cinematic flying today. But I'm not that, so I don't want you guys to think I'm like some cocky guy saying I can do all this stuff. I just like to take really good cinematic videos that capture the moment without compromising the shot. Because some people will get really close and it looks weird. Some people will be too far away and it looks too small. It's a very hard balance to find this stuff. And like now we're in the like the food vendors and stuff. Like the food vendors were killing it. So much good food and so many hardworking people out there. It was a hot one, such a hot one. But the people were enjoying being out there. I know. Hopefully they enjoyed me. I just enjoyed flying a lot of things, building things out of electric. I don't know if you guys do know, I build all my drones from scratch. Obviously I buy the parts and put them together. It takes me about like 2 hours, 3 hours, not too long. After programming and whatever, I can take it to the sky and do this. Get to make dope videos for the common person to watch. Because sometimes you don't want to see a crazy high production video. Sometimes you just want to watch something a little wholesome, some good music, not over the top, something chill. That's what I really learned from these events. These people are awesome.
Yeah. What's up, Bradley? What's up, Reese? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you guys ducking people? Oh yeah. Hey, how you guys doing again?
Yeah, it's cool to see kids like coming out here, because I was 27 years old and I didn't really understand like why people would go off-roading in Jeeps, and now I see. And to be that young and see that and experience that is amazing. Like some people are first-time Jeep owners and they're at this event. Well, they're either going to learn that their Jeep is awesome and it survives this test, the stress test, or it's going to fall apart like I've seen before. But you can tell who was a veteran, you can tell who was new. Because the veterans were not just sending it clean over, just like prop. They were not. They were like crawling over it, making sure they're smooth. And then there was the people that were just hot dogging it, flying. But yeah, it's a good time out there, guys. Make sure you guys check it out next year for 2024. I know there's a bunch of stuff more to say. Make sure you guys check out the vendors, everything that was on the vendor list. There was a bunch of stuff. I couldn't get everything. It was a great time. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. We got more content coming soon. Peace.